How's it going, everyone? Welcome back. In today's episode, we're going to be covering my first day off. I ended up going to check out a movie, so if you ever were curious to see what a movie theater in Thailand would be like, this is the episode for you. God damn, bro, these intros suck, bro. I really got to script this shit or something. Anyways, enjoy the show, guys. Here.
Alright, T-minus 30 minutes until departure time. I am gonna go catch a movie today. I've always wanted to go watch a movie in a foreign country. A movie that is not in my language. So I'm just gonna be sitting there. It'd be cool if there's subtitles, but if there's no subtitles, that's cool. I'm just gonna sit there and watch and just be like, yo, this is happening. So let's see what that's gonna be like. So, I just stumbled into this mall. Damn, dude, look at this place. Hold up, I gotta share this on my socials. Damn, look at this food. Oh snap, they got the cow soy of wonders. Oh shit. Yo, what? Well, I mean, the movie wasn't too special. It was a very formulaic horror film, you know. It's good to know that across the seas, and I think that was a Korean movie, but across the seas that we fall under the same tropes. Hold up, got a fart. Oh, that was a good one. So it's good to know we're not so different after all. We all make the same mistakes. We just do it in a different language. There you go.
So at this point, I just kept walking around the mall, just taking the sights in. Actually, a lot of stuff wasn't as cheap as you think it would be when you look at the prices of clothing, and it really wasn't. The clothing and electronics, it wasn't like you got a good deal. Everything was still more or less the same price, if not like way too expensive. I think this one I was tripping out over how much they were charging for Crocs. But then afterwards, I knew where I was gonna go eat. I had to go down to that cafeteria I saw at the low floors and get some cow soy to see how good that shit is here. Because I don't know if it's gonna be as good as the cow soy I get back in Chiang Mai.
This is so I guess the bottom of the mall has like this area. Oh, this is a Tops. Yeah, it's like the super flea market grunginess. Best prices are here, but you also get robbed. Nah, I'm just kidding. Don't cancel me. But there was a cow soy spot that piqued my interest.
I also decided to try to get some McDonald's, and it was a huge mistake. I never recommend going to get McDonald's in Thailand. It's just as expensive as the shit back home, and it tastes just as bad, and it makes you feel just as shitty.
I don't know. This I've not had very good luck eating fast food, American fast food here, because it just, fast food ends up just doing the same shit to me here as it does back in the States. It makes me feel like shit. Look at this. Ooh, look at this jizzball burger. Yummy. I don't even know what this fuck this is. I don't know. I'm not even thinking straight right now. I'm just pissed off that I missed a class because I confused my days. I thought it was Sunday. Turns out it was Saturday, and I missed like a pretty important class too, but fuck.
Yeah, outside the mall, they set up a market, and one time I was there, they actually had a Ferris wheel. But now I'm headed into town because I wanted to buy a guitar, so I'm just ordering a Grab right now to head out. And yeah, and then my next stop is a guitar, which I get into some stupid ass shenanigans when I arrive. Man, I really gotta write a script. Fucking hell. I found this music store when I was doing research of Chiang Mai back home, and I think I was able to get a guitar for like $60. And it was serviceable. It wasn't an amazing guitar, but it certainly did the job. It gave me something to practice while my time here. I think it was a good time spent.
Do you accept card? No card?
Yeah, cash.
Cash only? Okay, I'm gonna have to go to an ATM. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, okay.
But there's an ATM up the road. I'll be right back. Thank you.
If only it would be that easy. I ended up having to go through a handful of ATMs because they kept closing.
Yeah, bro, mega wins. Gonna get a guitar. Gonna get this. Gonna get that. And then all of a sudden, nope, 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 and fuck you, no. But check this out. Check this out. They're doing a beautiful show here. Check this out.
I think this shrine was one of I put it on one of the earlier episodes, I think on episode 2, and it was actually one of my favorite shrines because of how small it was, and I really dug the lanterns. I thought that was gorgeous. But from here I headed out to go to a functioning ATM. But the night wasn't done with me because I still get into some more stupid shit right after I buy the guitar.
Man, so I'm just having the biggest string of bad luck. Started with realizing that it's Saturday, not Sunday, so I missed a day of training. There's an ATM up the road here. So let's see. God damn, this is just so frustrating.
So now I'm headed back to the music store, but the night wasn't over with me just yet. As challenging as it was trying to find an ATM, a functioning ATM, and being able to get, goddamn, but why is this footage so terrible? Trying to get my money from a good ATM, I still ended up running into an issue with the taxi app, the Uber app that they got in Thailand.
Well, I got this fucking beautiful thing. And now, even though, yeah, it's kind of worn out in areas, especially up here, but it don't matter. It doesn't have the double bar. Okay, it has it right there on the 12th. Damn, this guitar is ancient, actually. Poor guy must have been on a shelf for ages. Oh well, he's mine now. And now to take a Grab back to the apartment. I'm gonna do my hair and fucking eat my depression away in food. Fuck, dude, I can't believe I missed my first sparring day, dude. Fuck me, man, I feel so stupid.
And that will conclude this week's episode. It was a day that was supposed to be my time to just like unwind and go and indulge. And in the middle of me having fun, I went on Instagram and I saw that the school was still like the school was teaching. The school wasn't closed, and that shit threw me off and just put me in a bad funk. And then after that, it was just bullshit after bullshit after bullshit after bullshit. But you know, I still had a good time. I enjoyed it, and I think the next episode, I don't know. I got the footage, and I'm gonna be taking care of the footage tomorrow. But subscribe, like, comment. I really appreciate it to get the channel out there. I'm trying to, I'm being routine with this content creation, and it's as soon as I have a good amount of episodes lined up and I have at least content for the next 2 months set up, I'm going to be putting in a little bit more quality into my editing. I should probably just get back into my Udemy classes. But enough of taking your time. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Bye.